tried to make me go to rehab. I said,
no, no, no. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look. This look is very sultry, smoky. I'm channeling Amy Winehouse in this look. Without further ado, we're going to jump right into this tutorial. So if you want to see how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching. I've already primed my eyes with concealer and done my brows off camera. For my first transition color, I'm actually going to use my contour powder. This one is Bahama Mama by The Balm. I'm going to go in with the Morphe E22 brush and apply that right in my upper crease. I'm using my contour powder because I want a very neutral brown. I really didn't want any warm tones in this look. For the next crease color, I'm also going to go in with a contour powder. This one is by Kat Von D, and I'm going to take this dark brown here on the end and apply that right below the first color. Not going to do too many transition colors or focus too much on the lid because I want the focus to be the winged liner. For the lid, I'm going to cut the crease ever so slightly. I'm not going to really do a dramatic cut crease. I'm just going to cut the crease where my mobile lid is. And I'm going to do that using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the color Eaten. I'm going to just take a little bit of that on the back of my hand and use my Morphe 170 brush to pick up the product and cut the crease. Next, I'm going to add my lid color, which is this one here from the Morphe 350 palette. For this look, you really don't have to cut the crease at all. But the reason that I did is because I have slightly hooded eyelids. And if I didn't cut the crease, the white shadow would transfer to my crease. And I didn't want that. So I just used the eyeshadow base to cut the crease very slightly so that my lid color won't blend into my crease color. If you don't have hooded eyelids, then you really won't have to worry about that. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the eyelids. So what I'm gonna do now is remove the tape and draw on my wing liner. To do that, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. liquid liner. Once you have the wing drawn on, you want to begin to smoke it out. To help smoke it out, I'm going to use this eye pencil by Urban Decay called Perversion. So I'm going to take a little bit of the eye pencil and begin to just blur the line a little bit. Then I'm going to use a Morphe 213 brush to help smudge it out. To help smoke it out a little bit more, I'm going to go in with Coconut Grove eyeshadow by NARS. I'm just going to repeat smoking it out and smudging it out until I'm satisfied with how it looks. Now I'm going to take a makeup wipe to clean it up a little bit and make it more sharp. I'm moving in with a smaller brush. This one is the Morphe M515. This brush doesn't have any additional product on it. I'm just kind of blending the brown eyeshadow in with the liner. For brow bone highlight, I'm going to go in with my Vanilla Pigment by MAC. For lashes, I'm going to be wearing the Mykonos lashes by Lily Lashes. Now that we have our lashes on, it's time to move to the skin. I'm priming my face with Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. I'm also going to prime my T-zone with Tarte Clean Slate Primer. I'm going to color correct around my mouth with this orange concealer. This one is by NYX. I'm doing this because I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation around my mouth. For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay in the color Warm Sun. I'm going to highlight with my favorite concealer. This one is NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the color Biscuit. I'm going to cream contour with my Laura Mercier Contour Kit. I like to go in with a smaller brush and do some detail blending around my nose. Next, I'm going to set all of my highlighted areas with Golden Fawn Mattifying Powder Foundation by Sephora. For some double coverage, I'm also going to set with Cover FX Loose Setting Powder. I'm going to quickly dust that away, except I will leave my nose contour to bake some. To set my entire face, I'm going to go in with Neutral Toffee. This is also by Sephora. It's their mattifying powder foundation. To set my contour on my cheeks, I'm going to go in with Bahama Mama by The Balm. I'm also going to go around the perimeter of my forehead and jawline. To bronze up my skin, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Queen Bronzer and a Morphe R10 brush. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the same black eyeliner by Urban Decay and fill in my waterline. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this Coconut Grove eyeshadow and smoke out the lower lash line just a little bit. To blend that in a little bit, I'm going to go back in with my contour powder. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with Bronze Glow by Bobbi Brown. Gonna highlight my inner corners as well with the same highlight. I'm gonna skip out on blush today and go straight into lining my lips with Cork Lip Pencil by MAC. For lips, I'm gonna use this Tarte's lip paint in the color Birthday Suit. For lip gloss, I'm going to use this one by MAC called Spite. To finish it all off, I'm going to go in with some Fix Plus by MAC. Okay guys, that completes this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share with your friends. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye.